All right, this is a cool little one. So I've got this launch guide, which is basically like a course. And so I have step 1 through 6. And I want to count each post because these are each post, and then just echo that post as step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, so I've got my page template open here, and I'm using a template part. I like to use template parts for just keeping my theme organized. And so the problem is it's really easy to count this outside of the template part, but then I want to pass it along so I can echo it here. So it'll just say step 1, step 2, okay? And so there's this really simple thing you can do, and this is just a fun quick tip. If you use this set query var, and you would name it after whatever you name the variable, so I'm calling it I, and it'll pass along this variable with this key of I, okay? And so just it allows you to a variable to hitch a ride with the query on through to the template part. So it becomes part of the global scope kind of the scope of this query. Okay, so if we drop in that set query var, and I'm just going to hit save, and look at that, we have step 1, step 2, step 3. So you can do this with any variable, but just a quick and easy way to pass a variable onto your template parts and then use those variables in those templates.